Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Nissan Murano and I will show you which fuses to check in case your rear defogger is not working. This video will apply to Nissan Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now all the fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin, so just here under the steering wheel. So first you want to pull this cover towards yourself, and on the back side you will have a small fuse diagram, and here access to all of the fuses. I will turn the flash on my phone so we can all see it better. Okay, and here you will get all the fuses and quite easy access to them. Okay, now the two fuses you want to check will be these two fuses here on top, 20 amp fuses, and those are fuses responsible for a rear defroster. If these fuses are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper. You want to test the defroster switch. Then the next thing, you want to inspect the heating element on the rear glass and inspect and look at the wires as well and all the connections. But hopefully this will be your problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.